Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel on your phone. Before moving forward, you have to remember that you cannot create a channel from the YouTube app. So you have to do it from a browser. So let's start. First, open a browser and go to youtube.com. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and enable desktop site. Now sign in with your Gmail account through which you want to create the channel. Now tap on your profile picture or profile icon on top right corner. Here you will see the option Create a Channel. Tap on that. Now tap on Create. Now you have to choose how you want to create your account. Do you want your own name or you want a custom name? I'll continue with my own name. And your channel has been created. Now enter a description for your channel. And add links to your sites. You can add a link to your website, to your Facebook account, your Twitter account, and also your Instagram account. Now tap on Save. And it will redirect to your YouTube channel. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.